guys, what's going on? Decided to make a quick video for those of you that are paying attention to current events and wanted to, talk and take a peek. Anyway, this video is going to be, let's say you're an investor, you have $1,000 and you want to put it in precious metals because the Dow Jones is down over 1,000 points today. You're worried about, it's hard to put your money in the stock market right now. I think it's got a little bit lower to go before we jump in on stocks. Precious metals have been bouncing around, but it is still a safe haven. Let's assume that you guys have all taken advantage of the silver at spot prices. We want to go for an all-around diversified precious metals investment. Goal here is $1,000. I'm going to go to jmbullion.com. That is one of my go-tos. So anyway, our goal now, we want to diversify. A little bit of gold, some silver, and maybe some platinum. Silver now, guys, obviously my go-to is anything you can buy at or below spot, but we're assuming we're buying right now as a quick investment, assuming that metals are going to climb as we go forward. So our goal right now is $1,000. So let's just maybe do a little shopping here. I'm going to start. We'll try and keep it simple. Excuse me. Let's do a roll of 20 Silver Eagles. I noticed that platinum right now. I still like these. I mean, they do have a nice premium on them, but 1/10 ounce British platinum Britannia. Guys, I still think platinum is quite undervalued. I mean, it was over 1,000 just a couple weeks ago. Let's go ahead and go to the chart here and take a look. I mean, platinum has really been bouncing around. Is it a decent long-term hold? Let's do year-to-date. Platinum, yeah. So, get out of my way. If you look here now, guys, year-to-date, we're over 1,000 in January, a couple times in January, and then again just recently in February. And now we're taking a big dive. So, I mean, obviously everything is taking a big dive as of recently. So, I mean, silver really spiked right up here and it falls right back down. If we look gold, it's still a safe haven. We've pushed back a little bit, but I mean, we were at 1650. Now we're right near 1650. One thing I am watching, guys, right now is the gold to silver ratio. We are at 92. I thought last year was the year it was going to hit 100. And I believe we did peak in June there at like in the mid 90s, 93. So we are at near a very, very almost all-time gold to silver ratio. This tells me one of two things, guys. Either gold is going to come back down or silver is going to shoot up. I don't know which. If I was a fortune teller, I'd be really rich. But anyways, that is something to keep in mind here and what's going to happen. Anyway, back to shopping. Now with gold right now, easiest thing I've found to move are gold eagles. But lately, I always talk to my local coin shops. I've got 3 of them here in town, and 2 of the 3 of them right now are paying premiums for pre-33 gold. And they, JM Bullion has got this right now, the gold half eagle. This thing is a 1/4 ounce. Just under 1/4 ounce, excuse me, for $429. I mean, JM Bullion right now, when they say sell price to us, call us, that means they're really not buying it. But you could always go and get a 1/4 ounce of gold of 2020 gold eagle, and they are buying those for $419. I love to see when they say sell to us price and actually leave a price rather than call us. That means they're actively buying whatever coin that is. I used to, when I first started, buy a lot of gold sovereigns. I loved like the roosters right here, which are really climbing in price. I remember paying like $215 for these. But yeah, sell price, they're paying $300 for them. And you know, the angels are always pretty. It's just this is just a very cool coin, paying $300 for those. And then British gold sovereign right here. I mean, I've got a handful of these, and they're paying $381, so they are still buying these pretty regularly, which is another great thing. This is also a little under a 1/4 ounce, 0.2354. So anyway, let's go take a look at the cart. I always pay e-check because I have my stuff online here. Right now we're at $975. Okay, guys, we've got a tube of 2020 American Silver Eagles. Around me locally, Silver Eagles, it doesn't matter where you go, people are paying over spot for them, which is a great thing to see. The 1/10 ounce British Britannia, that's just a speculative investment almost. I would keep that very minimal on your stack. But, I mean, and then a 1/4 ounce American Gold Eagle here. Now, we could swap out that Gold Eagle if we wanted to save a little bit of money. Oops. Check out. So anyways, let's go ahead and come down here, update, and we'll see where we're at with that. So, I mean, we're at $9.58 there. So we did drop the price a little bit by getting just a little bit less gold. Still one coin, about a 1/4 ounce. It has a little bit of vintage, and maybe you get like a nice, when you go to sell it, it might be a little easier for you. It's hard to say, but personal preference. But that's two options for you guys there. You can either go with this almost Liberty Half Eagle, or my next choice would be obviously the 1/4 ounce 2020 Gold Eagle. So let's go back this way. So I want you guys to stop and look right there, guys. If you're looking to invest in precious metals on a great starter portfolio, or even just to add to the stack on a well-diversified stack, guys, this is what I would do. $975. I'll tax at checkout. I'm in Michigan right now, so they can't tax precious metals. Some of you they can, but that is where I would be. $975.26 shipped to you. 20 ounces of silver, 1/10 of an ounce of platinum, and a 1/4 ounce of gold. Well, guys, stack strong, stack hard. Enjoy the stock market ride, and until next time, thank you.